front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again and tap on Vibration and Haptics section. Now to enable or disable all vibration and haptics options, use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics at the top. If you decided to enable them, you can also manage all of those however you want to. By tapping on all of those switchers, you can switch on or off ring vibration, vibrate first then ring gradually, and haptic feedback for notifications, alarms, touches, and media. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back, scroll all the way down and use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!